The Swich device by Abode converts any kitchen tap into one that delivers refreshing filtered drinking water. Many of us don't enjoy the taste of the water from our tap, particularly if you live in a hard water area, which may result in the purchase of bottled water. With the Swich device, simply turn your control to on and the cold water supply diverts, channeling through the filter hidden away under the sink. This delivers better tasting, refreshing results. Turning the switch back to the off position bypasses the filter, returning to domestic cold mains water supply. Visit the Abode website below for more information about the innovative Swich by Abode.